after fighting with videos for the first half of the day, I started carving on fire agate. And this is the problem with addiction slash obsession slash, you start on something and you can't stop until you finish it. And I used to be one of those people that would do a whole bunch of stuff and not get any of it finished. And now some stuff, once I start it, I can't stop until it's done. And I've got this group of fire agate and they're amazing. And there's at least one of the best stones I've ever carved. And I need to keep this video under a minute so I can get it up into the shorts and maybe you'll see this. Grub stakes are coming soon. Mount Ida, Arkansas quartz crystals, $80 grub stakes. Crater of Diamonds in Arkansas, $300 grub stake, covers 3 days. If a diamond comes out, that's the grub staker's diamond. It's not even going to stay with the channel. A bunch more. Topaz Mountain, Red Barrel. Grub stakes are going to be for both of those, $150, guaranteed to get some great stuff. I always pull amazing stuff out of there. Oh, Sunstones in Oregon, $200 grub stakes. Turquoise in Nevada, $200 grub stakes. Utah Trilobite mine, $100 grub stakes, guaranteed. This is stuff where I'm going to guarantee stuff to you because I have a lot of access right now. I'm going to have a lot of access as long as I can get across the country, which is with your help. So if you buy some grub stakes or buy some stuff in my store or hit me up privately and I'm going to hook you up, let's get me on the road. We want to be out of here the 15th of this month. If I can get out of here, pay my phone bill on the 15th.
You better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me. And he gets claws real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score. Never getting bored, loves the blood and gore. Always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped. You'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
Well, I thought that I had not broken anything when I had that bicycle accident, and it's like 4 days later now at this point, maybe 5 days since that accident, and I was bruised. My whole body was messed up after the stuff I put myself to get down there, and then what had actually happened with the accident. And it also ends up that this camera, I broke the screen on this, and I broke the screen on my Rode, on my wireless mics. I broke them. They were inside my camera bag. My camera bag was slung over my shoulder when me and the whole cart with like 200 pounds worth of, probably more than that, rocks in it, rolled over and broke my bicycle cart. So I'm dealing with that right now, but really what I'm dealing with is I'm trying to get back to working on the bus and getting prepared to leave. I have talked to some friends of the channel. They are excited to work with me on the ideas that I have. I am going to be offering grub stakes. I am offering grub stakes. What is a grub stake, somebody asked. A grub stake is where you put up money to fund digs. So if you were to buy a grub stake for one of the gold miners, then you would get a specified percentage of whatever comes out of the ground for that adventure, because you put up some of the money that funded the adventure. That's what a grub stake is. So the word grub stake means, you know, a financier of a mineral venture that gets a percentage of whatever's found. So it can be a huge percentage. It really can. Grub stakes are supposed to pay a lot more if they hit, but there's also the possibility they don't pay anything at all. That's never happened with me. Even when I haven't hit at one place, I've hit at other places really well in order to be able to send stuff to everybody that got some sort of a grub stake. And my sunstone grub stakes, I've done really well on those. And this is going to be the best grub stakes I'm ever doing, guaranteed. And the reason it's going to be the best is because of the people I've partnered with. And it's not just I'm going out there to dig. It's that I've actually am partnering with these people, and that there is going to be future ventures that are going on to be money making and adventures, and that are symbiotic relationships with people and everything like that. And I'm working towards a lot of that, and I don't want to spray what's going on, if I can, until it's actually in the middle of happening. You know what I mean? I want to make everything happen if I can, and tell the story, a good story, a watchable story along the way. That's what I would like to do. Let's see how that happens. So the question is, I was never able to pull this thing fully out. Oh my gosh, I got it this time though. Sealed anymore. It's been a couple of days since I did this, so it rained really hard last night, knocked out my lights, so I want to make sure that the funnel's as clean and dry as possible.
rays of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, my life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.